Newton's laws of motion are three physical laws that, together, laid the foundation for classical mechanics. They describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting upon it, and its motion in response to those forces. Newton's three laws of motion may be stated as follows. Newton's first law stated that every object in a state of uniform motion will remain in that state of motion unless an external force acts on it. The first law, also called the law of inertia, was pioneered by Galileo. Newton's first law's some example is, a book lying on the table remains at rest as long as no net force acts on it. A moving object does not stop moving by itself. Newton's second law of motion can be formally stated as follows. The acceleration of an object as produced by a net force is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force, in the same direction as the net force, and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. The formula is F equals m.a. The Newton's second law some example is pushing or pulling the door. Hitting a ball. Formally stated, Newton's third law is, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The statement means that in every interaction, there is a pair of forces acting on the two interacting objects. The size of the forces on the first object equals the size of the force on the second object.